Hi, my name is Phil Montero and I'm an engineer with the Garam Group, and I'm going to explain in this short video why it's important that you back up your Office 365 data that Microsoft stores in the cloud for you. Microsoft Office 365 has become the standard these days, and for most of us, all of our Outlook email, our contacts, our calendars, SharePoint, Teams, and if you're using OneDrive, a lot of your documents are all stored on Microsoft servers in the cloud. Well, it's important to know that your cloud data can still be at risk, and there's three main things that can be causing these risks, and we'll briefly take a look at those. See, Microsoft is responsible for things like hardware failure, software failure, a natural disaster, or a power outage, but when it comes to things like human error, or malicious insiders, people maliciously deleting data, or hackers or viruses, well, that falls on you and it's your responsibility to back this data up. Statistics have shown that 1 in 3 companies that are using cloud applications like Office 365 have lost data. 13% of that data loss is caused by hackers and viruses. This can be something like ransomware getting into your files and then being synced to the cloud. And oftentimes it's caused by things like phishing emails. An email that comes in, someone tricks you into clicking on a link and giving up your Office 365 credentials, then the hacker has your email and password, they log in and delete your important Outlook data. 47% of that data loss can be caused by end user deletions. This is both accidental deletions by the user, and sometimes it's from an administrator deleting a user account because maybe someone has left the company, they think they no longer need that account, they remove that user's account, not realizing until it's too late. Microsoft only holds on to that data for about 90 days that they actually had emails and important information in there they need back. 7% of that data loss can be caused by malicious deletions. And by this, we mean possibly a disgruntled employee that is unhappy with their job and goes in and purposefully deletes old emails, project files, and information from their Outlook account that are needed for important projects. Microsoft themselves recommend that you use a third-party backup, and the solution that we recommend at the Garam Group is Datto, one of our tech partners, has something called SaaS Office 365 Backup Solution. This is an automated, easy-to-use, secure cloud-to-cloud backup service. In fact, for you, it's set it and forget it. We turn it on, and at 3 points during the day, it will take every licensed user that you have in Office 365, and it encrypts the data and backs it up from Microsoft's cloud to Datto's cloud. So there's no local backups to worry about. There's no limit to the amount of data. Doesn't matter whether it's a few hundred megabytes or if it's 100 gigabytes. It will back all of that data up, and it keeps it indefinitely. That means if you have users that leave the company, you can stop paying Microsoft for that license. You can delete that user knowing that you've securely backed up their data, and you can restore that data, or we can restore that data for you. If you'd like more information about this solution and how it can help your business and keep your important Office 365 data protected, please reach out and contact us. Our client relationship manager, Michelle, would be happy to speak with you. You can reach her by email at michelles@garamgroup.com or simply call us at 315-473-9600 and just ask to speak to Michelle. We'd be happy to talk with you and help you set up an affordable backup solution for your company.